What is going on, you guys? Welcome to Wise Guy Unbox, and today we are going to take a look at Wow Imagine Samsung M30 flip case. Now I will be giving away a bunch of these along with various other giveaways on every 100 subscribers. All you have to do is to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and comment down below with hashtag giveaways. I repeat, hashtag giveaways. Now let's go to unboxing. I need another unboxing knife. This one's getting old. Okay. So this is your flip case. Wow Imagine Galaxy M30 Chestnut Brown, the one that I ordered. I will be giving away a bunch of these. MRP is $9.99, but you can check the link in the description. Let's see what we get in the box. So nothing in there. Nice packaging. Okay, so this is your flip case with for Samsung M30. Looks decent enough, right? It's leather, comes with 3 card slots, and the case material is actually, it's not plastic, it's rubber, and it's pretty dirty, but let me see if I can clean it. Okay. So make sure to subscribe. Now let's put my M30 into this one. This is not gonna be easy, as you can see. Let's try this way. Nope, I'm really bad at this. I hope get this one right. Wow, can't believe this. Okay, we'll get it. Just hold on. I hope they gave me the perfect size. Finally, it's on. It's on. It's almost on. So, as you can see, pretty handy. Nice leathering and magnetic stuff. You don't have any kind of button here, just magnet, which is great. And let me check the buttons here. Yeah, works pretty much okay. This would be your volume up and down, and flash, and your camera cut with fingerprint cut is pretty good. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for checking out my unboxing video. Follow me on social media at Wise Guy Unbox. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to enter my giveaways. Till next time, peace out.